Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss Linda and Mr. Rudy. Today, I want to make some video conversation with this student. Before begin, I want to introduce myself. My name is Bunga Aulia, and you can call me Bunga. I am from Hamburg class, and
My name is Uswatun Hasana. I am from Denver class DC 173. Alright. Hello. How are you today?
today I'm very happy and excited to
Alright.
make this video.
Okay. Oh, now we are making conversation, right? What are our topic now?
Our topic today is English purpose.
English purpose. Oh, interesting. Bunga, what is your purpose to study English?
I want to. English is one of the most important language in the world. So I want to continue my study at university abroad.
Oh,
so
good.
I want to speak with many people. I want to improve my career.
Oh, you haven't continued to college?
No, I am fresh graduate from senior high school.
Senior high school. Oh. In your opinion, what is English in your opinion? Just language, or that is the one skill is important
Yes,
you improve
English
in your
is
life?
maybe in my opinion, English is skill
Mhm.
to get more knowledge and improve career in the future.
That's good. Career in the future. Alright. Now you are studying English at BEC, right? How about your English now?
My English still a
Little bit, what? A little bit
lower
than
lower.
others? Oh, but you study here, right?
Yes.
You can tell me what is your problem about English?
I'm still confused a little bit about grammar, and my vocab is a little.
I think you must.
My vocab is less.
Oh, less. Okay. You can tell me other struggle you are studying English?
I very hard to speak English, and then right now I must speak English every day, everywhere.
Oh, yeah, it is third one, right?
Yeah,
Must be speak English.
yes. So I'm still afraid because when I speak bahasa,
Okay.
so I get punishment.
You get punishment?
When I speak bahasa.
Oh yeah, it is your struggle, right? You must study hard from now. After what is it? After English, your English is good. What do you want to do?
I want to take IELTS.
IELTS?
To continue my study.
Okay, now what your struggle to what is it like? There is struggle when you want to go to abroad like that.
Actually, I don't believe myself to study abroad, but I want to study abroad very much.
I think your English is good right now, but you must study hard again.
I want to study hard to get more knowledge and improve my skill.
Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yes, and maybe in a system.
Okay.
for watching and your attention. I do apologize for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi